Alright guys, I'm Miguel Cortez. I'm the shop manager for Beloit, Wisconsin. We got National Brake Safety Week coming up this week, so just make sure when you guys are doing your pre-trip, you can actually check your brake pads or your brake shoes on both the truck and trailer. First things you want to inspect to make sure there's no glazing on the drums and to make sure there's no actual cracking on both the pads or the shoes. So, I mean, you got to get a little dirty, but it's better to be safe than sorry and help you guys from getting any trouble down the road. Alright guys, the other thing I would possibly check into is the proper slack adjustment to make sure they're actually working properly with the S-cans and all the components, the chambers are working in order. So just check that and make sure that, you know, when you pre-trip, you're also looking at the getting it on the brake bar to make sure it's working properly, going back and just make sure they're all jiving together so you don't have any issues going forward. Third thing you want to check for is wheel seals to make sure there's no excess wheel seal seeping out of the back of the wheel seal themselves, to make sure there's no oil on the drums, the brake shoes, or the brake pads as well, because once they start leaking you get contamination on those components and you're asking for problems when it comes to braking. Also, fourth thing is border wire S-cans to make sure your S-cans are working properly. Make sure that the rollers of the shoes are working as they should be. Keep that in mind. So if you get a flashlight, go in there real quick to make sure that the S-cans themselves are rolling over the rollers. So if they rolled over, then we got a serious problem. That was different things. They repair shop decision. When you check it for pre-trip, fifth thing also you want to do is to make sure there's no leaking air brake lines, leaking airbags, anything that would take away from any of the pressure that's needed for the components to work as they should. Make sure there's no chafing on the airlines. Make sure that all the airlines should be working as properly. Also, you want to make sure that there is also DOT regulated brass on there, nothing metal, because that's against DOT. It'll be a DOT violation. So you want to make sure that's also going on there. So go through your components as best you can so you avoid any problems. So all the things I just mentioned will help you out throughout, you know, when it comes to this brake safety week. So it'll avoid downtime. You know, we don't make money unless you guys run. You guys don't make money unless you guys run. The less downtime you guys have, that's all part of the pre-trip to avoid any issues going down the road. You know, just stay safe out there, always do your pre-trips, and, you know, continue to keep kicking butt for us. And we appreciate all the hard work you guys do. So thanks a lot, guys.